So I had brunch this morning, and awesome place to go in Tampa. Somi, it's Greek. I took a picture of the menu. So this is a how do you use ChatGPT for average everyday work? I'm a manager. I'm given a task, fix the menu, improve it. So I want help to improve this restaurant menu. How do we break it down? Font and readability. So it's able to look at the font itself in the design, include dietary labels, pricing, align it because the pricing is kind of shifting with the text. All of those make it easier, but it didn't stop there. It also said, hey, on the breakfast, this is what it should look like. Hey, did you think about this? Here are the dips. Think about adding this. So it also suggested items that would go with it. And top it all off, can you recommend 2 more American dishes that would complement the other ingredients? So we already have the ingredients for this stuff. What else can we do? Greek-inspired chicken and waffles. So there's all these inspired Greek versions of stuff. Here's the description. So it gives you, here's the ingredients, here's how you make it, and here's the label for your menu. So it kind of keeps all of that in context, which I think is super helpful. And you can also do a time.